Hi all, this is Chandan here again, and in this lecture I am going to show you how to install Apache Tomcat web server on Windows 10 and also how to do configuration with the NetBeans, that is the IDE of the Java. So we'll double click on it, click yes, next, I agree, then select host manager, examples, next. Now here we have to change 8088. Any 4-digit number we can keep it here. So that why we are changing, because it's 8080 is the default port number, might be used by some other application. So in that case we'll face issue. For that reason we are changing it here, right? Now we'll keep it here name. See, you can give it name anything in the password, right? Now here we'll have had to add one thing, what manager script, manager hyphen script, script. Fine, click on next. This is the location of jdk java. Fine, this is the location where Apache Tomcat is going to be installed. Fine, click next. You can see the details of installation. Fine, now finish it. Fine, now installation completed. Now we'll show you how to include it inside our NetBeans. So for that we have to go to the tools, click on it, and then servers. Fine, then add servers, choose Apache Tomcat or Tom-E, then click on next. Fine, now here server location you have to give it. How will give it? Just click on that, go to the particular location where C drive, it has installed in C drive, right? Now go to the program files, then after Apache Tomcat Foundation, select this, open it. Fine, what is username? So username is what? C, password is what? C. See what's telling, the specified server location folder is not valid. Why? Because we have to give the permission. How will give the permission? Go to the C drive, program files, Apache Tomcat, double click on it. Now it's asking you don't have currently have permission to access this folder. Now we'll give the permission. See, came right. Now we could access it. How will do it? Let's see it. Next, we'll cancel it, we'll close it, we'll go again. Servers, add servers, Apache Tomcat. Fine, give the location. I will give the location. Go to the C drives, then program files, Apache Tomcat Foundations, Tomcat09, open. It's still showing error. Let me check. Tomcat Catalina home folder is already registered. Okay, okay, okay. Now let me check. See, here it came, right? Now we'll click start, already running, right? See, Apache Tomcat is running. Restart. Okay. We could see here restarting Apache Tomcat, right? If you want to check whether install successfully or not, that what we have to do, just go to the here localhost : give the port number 8088.